I'm just gonna take a little bit of foundation, conceal under my eyebrows. We always go a little bit lower when placing my actual color, because it's so easy to just go up, but like once you go up too much, then it's hard to really get rid of it. And this just gives you that really really looking like you just went and got your brows shaped kind of brow, and it just looks so nice. So I am gonna drag that down and just kind of mute the tiredness out of my eye. I want to go into some colors. So the first color that I'm going to go in, remember I told you I want this to be bold, so I'm going into the Cane's color here, and that's that beautiful deep rich purple color. And I'm gonna just tap that right in the outer corner, really close to the bottom, and just bring it up just a tad. We're not gonna go too crazy. And then I'm gonna go back in to pick up a bit more color. And we're gonna bring that in the top. Hi guys, I am officially a mother of an 11-year-old. Like, I can't believe it. I can't believe my firstborn is 11 years old. Like, I've been a mom for 11 years. Like, damn, I feel old. Like, and he's getting so big and he's so handsome. Like, I mean, I know everybody says that about their kids, but like my kids are really beautiful. Like everybody tells me about. I am hyping them up. I don't care. Like, I'm a proud mama. They're super beautiful, super smart. Like, I wish I was that smart. As good looking as them. Like, there are some good looking kids. Okay. But yeah, it was his birthday last week. But you know, with like COVID and everything, remember we're in Canada, and it's like, first of all, we're in Quebec to make it even worse, and it's real here with the lockdowns and restrictions and this and that and proof of vaccination and all this ray-tay-tay crap. So we weren't able to plan him like one of those big parties that we would usually plan him. Like, we usually like rent somewhere or do it like one of those fun kid places that we like to go and stuff. Yeah, we really had to scale it down because, you know, like with gathering limits and ray-tay-tay, and just like even other parents just being like really like scared about their kid catching anything and then coming home with anything. So, you know what I mean? So we just really scaled it down. But nevertheless, it was still like a good sized party. I'm gonna hop into Palms, and that's that like chocolatey color. I'm just gonna put that. Everybody knows from coming to like my kids' birthday parties, like when I make a piñata, like my piñatas are hard to really break. Like we usually have to cut them open, or the adults get a turn and they get to smash it too, which is what makes it fun too, because like it sucks, especially with like little boys, and you know how like they're aggressive with the piñata. They want to smash it. So it's like after 2 people, 3 people go, like, boom, it's done. You know? So I like to make it that it lasts like a good like 20 minutes of hitting the piñata and stuff like that. I always put like ridiculous amounts of candies. But anyways, this one, I kind of made it too hard though, because like, you know, I didn't give him one last year, okay? Because last year we didn't even have a party at all. But he didn't want one for like 2 years now. He didn't want piñata. So I'm like, he's getting big for it. But I'm like, you know what? Just to add an extra element of fun, I'm gonna make it. And I think I made it too hard. Like, it was the hardest one I've made to date. Like, so we're gonna, okay, we're gonna swatch the 2. So this is Achilles. Boom. That's really pretty. This is Mediterranean. Boom. And then this is Achilles with Mediterranean. Because I think they would look, yeah. I think we might do that. Achilles and Mediterranean. With my finger, I really like, if you notice, like I always do like shimmer colors. I like to go in with my finger with them. I just feel like it always looks a little bit more prettier that way. So that's just me. Okay? But if you want to go in with a brush, like go ahead to go in with a brush. Makeup. There's no like 100% rules to what's right, what's wrong, what you can do, what you can't do. Like this is makeup. It's supposed to be fun at the end of the day. Like so now I'm gonna go in with my other finger and go into Mediterranean. And we're just gonna swipe that right on there too. I'm gonna go into that purple again and just kind of like reinforce it, because I know I got over and taken by the shimmer shadows. We're done. I probably say this quite a few times, but I mean, always use a beauty blender that is damp. Like, it should never be dry. I mean, some people will tell you, yeah, use a dry one, but I don't recommend it. I really don't. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my Fenty, and I'm just gonna highlight right here. And I'm gonna do the most because why not? I'm also gonna highlight the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna highlight here and one of my chin, why not? So just buff that out and make it just blend in. And this is Warm Deep. And I'm just gonna make a line here. You take that very lightly. I go up with it. And around the jaw. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun creating this video for you guys. I'm obsessed with this look. It's so pretty. I feel like I'm really feeling myself right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the family so you're up to date with all my videos and content. And stay healthy, stay beautiful. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.